Hello everybody, welcome back to Will's Green World. Today, with our pumpkin, we hollowed it out with the chickens. And as you can see above me is Rapid Fire Rick, her new nickname. They only took 5 minutes to carve this out. And yeah, I have an unlit candle here, so I'm going to use some of Will's World magic to light it. My lighter fluid has gone out today. So, I'm just kidding. This is just a turn on candle. So, we'll put this in here. And open you go. And put that in there. That looks really good. Thank you for watching.